Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to track steps on Apple Watch. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do to track steps on your Apple Watch is go ahead and press the digital crown once to go from the home screen or watch face to your app menu. Now locate and click on the workout icon. Now locate your exercise. It could be indoor cycle, outdoor walk, outdoor run, indoor walk, indoor run, outdoor cycle, push swim, and then the rest of them like this. Now to count your step with your Apple Watch, just go ahead and click on the play button on outdoor walk. Then you should say ready, and then the countdown will begin. Then you should say that an icon indicating that you're walking will appear at the top left, and then this is going to help you to count your step. If you scroll down, you should see the information. At the same time, you can just go ahead and open the activity icon, then you should see it here as well. So scroll up, then you should see your steps. You see that. So if you don't want to use the workout icon, just go ahead and click on the activity icon and then go to where you see steps. So this is going to help you to count your step on your Apple Watch, and then you are good. Once you are done with your step counter, go back to the workout or to the activity. Go back to the workout, then you want to stop it by swiping right or swiping left. If you swipe right, you should see end, pause, segment, and then check in. So in this case, to end the workout, click on end, and then you should see your total time spent during the workout. You should see your total distance in terms of steps, the average pace, and then the calorie burn, as well as your average per hour, like that. So that is basically how to track steps on Apple Watch. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.